Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, I have a quick set challenge lock here that was sent to me and pinned by Bronx-LockPicker 60. Calls it the L train, didn't come with a key. Angelo, thank you very much for this lock, my friend, and thank you for all the locks you sent me. And I have a little information on Angelo for the lock sport community. He, me and him, we've been communicating a lot almost every day. I was really trying to help him out getting his channel started, but he's had pneumonia for over a week now, I guess. He's been trying to deal with it at home with the antibiotics, and I was communicating, talking to him today, and he told me he's not getting any better, so he might be going into the hospital tomorrow. But Angelo, all our prayers are with you, my friend. Just get better. Come back out and make some great videos. We'll be waiting for him. But just as the last lock that you pinned up yourself that I have, I figured I would try to get it open just in case you do go in the hospital, and yeah, we'll see what's inside, what you put in there. Alright, I'll try to get in there with this Matador from the Monstrum series from Sparrows. Alright. 1 is loose, 2 is loose. Got a little click from 3, nothing on 4. Little click off of 5. Getting some counter rotation off of 3 now. I don't think I got him now. It was 5 again. Now I got counter rotation on 5. Alright. Alright, that was 1. I got a nice turn on the core. Got a decent false set off of that. That was 3. I had a little counter rotation from him. Counter rotation again. Alright, I think I got him that time. I think that was 4. Pin 4. Alright, counter rotation on 1 now. I just lost it. Alright, I thought I had counter rotation. There it is again. Pin 1 is really hard to maneuver behind that tension wrench without trying to knock the wrench out of there. Had a really deep false set, but everything seemed to... Oh, there's that counter rotation off the 1. Oh! I hope I didn't lose everything. I don't think so. I think I got it with the pick. Let's see. Oh, damn it. See, that pin 1's going to get me. Alright, we're hoping on 4. Ooh, good thing, because I didn't want to lose that wrench again. Darn. Alright, that was a great lock, Angelo. Nice pick. That was very fun. I very much enjoyed that pick. Well, let's see what you put inside it for me. Okay, well, the tag came off. Let me move this out of the way a little more. Let's get this clip off. I do not want to lock it up. See if I could just knock it straight out. Nice. Awesome. Okay. Alright. Pins are this way. Let me throw a shim in there real quick. Grab a follower. Okay, where's my other follower? Oh, this one will work just fine. Alright, okay, everything's well below the shear line. I can see some really deep threading in 2 and 4. Nothing else. I don't think of anything else. Let me see. I've got some, so I could poke around in there. No, maybe, yeah, he's got some counter milling in 1, 4, 5. Well, let me get these pins out here. I want to check it out a little bit better. Okay, pin 1. A nice spool, very sharp edge on the top, so I believe that is going to have some counter milling in it. Whoop. Number 2, another spool. Or no, excuse me, that's a T-pin. Number 3, we have a double spool. Number 4. Come on out of there. Looks like going to be another spool, I believe. Yep, another spool. And 5 we have, looks like a serrated. Alright, so up here, okay, he does have some counter milling in 1. Some nice deep threads in 2. Some nice counter milling in 3. Some nice threads in 4. And some counter milling in 5. So 1, 3, and 5 counter milling, 2 and 4 nice threading. Okay, so let's see what he's got up here. Alright, pin 1. A nice spool. I believe that's a steel pin, steel spring, I believe. Okay, we have another spool with like a tiny little protrusion coming off the tip of that too. Nice. We have a copper spring, a little bit smaller in 2. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to keep that in frame. 3, we have a serrated with, I believe, another steel pin. 4, we have nice deep spool to maybe a little serration at the bottom, if you want to call that the top, I guess. Another copper spring. And 5, we have, oh, damn it, when he came out that way is another spool, and a little steel spring. Okay, so what has he got up here? He did some nice work with the core, but up here we got Okay, I didn't think anything was in one, but I think he's got these reverse threads again. He's got some threading in 2, 3, 4. I'm not sure about 5, but he's got threading in 5 on this side, 4 on this side, nothing on 3 on this side. I know 3 is threaded on this side. So he's doing something, threading in one side, but not the other. Yeah, so, yeah. But he's got something in every one, threaded either on one side or the other, except for, yeah, chamber 1 is threaded too, I believe, on the front side. Nice. Very nice lock, Angelo. Very fun to pick. Alright, my friend, yeah. Just get better. We'll be waiting for you. Oh, well, hold on real quick. Let me show you the pins. Darn, I almost forgot. Pin 1. I'm not going to try to focus it any better. My camera will go dark. Pin 1, we have a nice spool. 2 is a T-pin. 3 is a double spool. 4 is another single spool. It's rated in 5. Up top, we have a spool in 1. Kind of like a spool to a very small protrusion coming out of the top of that pin. 3 is serrated. 4 is a nice spool with a serration kind of on the top here. And 5 is another kind of like a spool, but it's beveled to catch that counter milling. Let me see. You know, driver 1 is beveled too to catch the counter milling. Nice. Very nice job, Angelo. Nice pick. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.